friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great, learning this language great way. Today I am sharing with you. This month is the Adhik Mas. Every person is a celebrate this the Adhik Mas, and Maharashtra is a Maharashtra. Everybody is a celebrate this the Adhik Mas, and every woman the make this mango juice. Every woman make this the purnpoli. Okay, I make this the Dhonda. Yeah, because I am killing a duck and I have gold round sheep, and I put this puran. Yeah, I don't know this is meaning. This is a puran. The Maharashtra is a famous food is a puran poli. Yeah, do you like to eat puran poli? Your comment for me. Okay, guys, and this dhonda I put this oil and I am frying. Yeah, this is a I make this the dhonda. Okay, and after that I make this the puran poli. Yeah, and I wheat flour. Okay, and okay, and I am okay, and I am apply this ghee. Yeah, you like this ghee because ghee is a your health is a your good health for these things ghee. Yeah, okay. This is a puran poli. Yeah, you like my video, you like my videos, you have subscribe my channel, you have like this video. Okay, because one I have made this the one video. I have lots of efforts. Yeah, this is the puran poli.